Okay, here we have a student who's a 30 handicap. The story behind this was that this golf swing that he made here on the left went straight to the target with a 56, exact same club. The only thing different is the shaft. The story also behind this is that when he first started hitting the ball, he would come out of the shot with his face, and yet he would hit it to his target line. Then I suggested that he keeps his face in the shot, and then he started pulling the ball. It was until I switched the club that he kept his face in the shot and then started hitting straight. So both of these swings went straight. If you notice here on when I bring the club down, the ball was in the exact same spot. We were in the camera was in the same spot. See where the club head is here at the top? You can see it with the one with the wedge or the pure stick here on the left, or excuse me, on the right. The difference he had going into the shot is monumental. What I did was I put a box up where the ball would be, to where his left hand just in front of it. So when we see a contact, or when his left hand starts approaching impact, the difference between when the club comes in here, where the butt of the club and his whole left hand is here, you can see where the shaft is, versus when his whole left hand is here. You can see the shaft is up a little bit higher, so he's got more angle and more lag. Look at his face. His face is turning out of the shot. Here his eyes are a lot more even. Now, as he goes into the hit, you can see he hits it quicker because the shaft is much stiffer. And then you can see his face and his eyes turn out of the shot. Again, both balls went straight, but you can see one had so much more power coming into the hit, which would be the one on the right. And then the other thing is, as he made contact, you can see it's a lot straighter with the shaft, and because he's keeping his face in the shot. And then the other thing, the final thing is because he had to open up out of the shot, his hands finished so much higher. So therefore, the ball would go a lot higher than he anticipated. Okay, so this was a very, very big difference, especially as it coming into the contact. Again, the one on the left is conventional, regular standard stiff shaft. This would be more one of the pure sticks. And obviously that ball would pop a little more power with similar distance, similar length swing.